Understanding onboard audio. Hello, everyone. In today's video, we're going to explore the meaning of onboard audio. This is a phrase you might encounter in various contexts, especially when dealing with computers or electronic devices. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Onboard audio refers to the sound capabilities that are built directly into a computer's motherboard. Unlike external sound cards or audio interfaces, onboard audio is an integral part of the computer's main circuit board. This is a cost-effective solution for providing basic sound functions like playing music, video audio, and system sounds. One of the main advantages of onboard audio is its convenience. Since it's already integrated into your computer, there's no need for additional hardware. It's also generally more affordable than buying a separate sound card. Onboard audio is perfectly suitable for everyday tasks like listening to music, watching videos, and making video calls. Despite its advantages, onboard audio does have some limitations. It often lacks the advanced features and higher quality of dedicated sound cards. This might be a concern for audio professionals or enthusiasts who require superior sound quality, such as for music production, gaming, or home theater systems. If you're an average user, onboard audio is likely sufficient. However, if you are into high-end gaming, music production, or need crystal-clear audio for other professional uses, you might consider upgrading to a dedicated sound card or external audio interface for enhanced sound quality and additional features. I hope this video has given you a clear understanding of what onboard audio is and how it fits into your computing experience. Whether it's right for you depends on your specific audio needs and usage. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this information helpful. Stay tuned for more tech insights.